Kyle with Rocketman Plumbing, and today we're going to talk about your faucets in your house. It could be your kitchen faucet, your bathroom faucet, your tub and shower valve, the shut-off valves that go to your washing machine. Bottom line, if something's not broke, most people don't think about fixing it. But let's say a bathroom faucet, when you turn the water on, maybe it's leaking. Maybe it's dripping all the time. Same thing with a kitchen faucet. Maybe it's just really old and you don't like it anymore. There could be lots of reasons why you want to replace a faucet. One thing to remember, if we come out to do a repair on, let's say, a bathroom faucet that's leaking, what we have to do lots of times is we have to turn off your water. We take the parts out of that. If we have them, great, but sometimes there are so many different kinds of faucets. Quite often we have to go for the repair parts for that individual faucet. And from my experience, you can spend easily just as much or more money to repair an old faucet as it would take to replace a new one. And you want to keep that in mind whenever you have any kind of faucet repair that something needs repaired. You want to look at it and say, well, I think it might be time for a new one. If it's a really nice, fancy, good faucet that you spend a lot of money on, yeah, we'll come out and repair it. If it's in the middle range or more than 10 years old, believe me, you're better off replacing it, and you'll look at it and say, oh, I got a new faucet. It's wonderful. It's just something to keep in mind when you're calling to have someone repair any kind of faucets, that it might be time and you're better off in the long run to replace them other than repair them. This is Kyle with Rocketman Plumbing. Hope you don't have any plumbing problems, but if you do, give us a call. Thank you.